Powder. Many everyday things come in powder form. Let's review some of the most common ones. Baby powder or talcum powder keeps skin from getting wet and chafing. Finding powder snow on the ski slope makes for perfect for skiing. Women powder their nose when they apply makeup. Laundry detergent comes in both liquid and powder form. Gunpowder was once used in guns like this. Modern guns, however, no longer use gunpowder. Powdered milk helps many children in poor countries grow up healthy and strong. Flour is a powder that we bake with to make many delicious things. If you bake, you'll most likely also use baking powder. Cocoa powder goes well in any baking recipe. Powdered sugar makes for a sweet topping and is used to make icing for cakes. Curry powder is used to make yummy curry. Add chili powder to make any dish hot and spicy. Most supplements come in powder form. I take ginseng powder every day. Believe it or not, caffeine is also a chemical powder that goes in many products. Protein powders are popular with vegetarians and bodybuilders. What else comes in the form of powder? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. The end.